spacious living and dining area. You will have your kitchen space where you will be have your master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housies. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Shubh by Kripa Elite located in Tilak Nagar. And now, let me take you and show you the actual land parcel of the project. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And we will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.25 acres that will have one tower with 3 wings of ground plus 14 story having 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And talking about the amenities, this project has 10 plus all basic amenities with gym, sit-out area, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities. Now before getting into the location and connectivity, let me tell you that this over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Behind me, you can also see Tilak Nagar railway station. And talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located in Patrakar Society, New Tilak Nagar, from where Tilak Nagar railway station is only at a distance of 2 minutes walk. Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road is only at a distance of 5 minutes. Eastern Freeway is only at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing at the 2 BHK of the residential project Shubh. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 560 square feet. As you can see, we are standing at the sample flat where you can see this over here is a spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can see your living is very spacious to place your sofa, center table and to customize your TV unit. Also, the USP of the project is that you will be getting full French windows with balcony, and every apartment in the project has balcony in the living. The balcony is also very spacious where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and swings if you want. And this over here will be your spacious dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your friends and family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen and bedrooms. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You will also be getting French doors with a dryer balcony provided where you can place your washing machine. Also, you can see you have space provided besides both the platform. One side you can place your refrigerator and you can also customize a closet on the other side. And over here we have your common washroom that will come with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right beside your common washroom, we have your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king or queen size bed. You can customize your wardrobes. You will be getting vitrified tiles in this bedroom, and also you will be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, We tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. Right opposite to your common bedroom, we have your master bedroom that you can see is very spacious, space your king size bed, your side tables, and to customize your wardrobe. You will be getting vitrified tiles, and you can see you have walkable space which will also be left after placing your furniture. You will also be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a standing balcony look, and you also have a window on this side that is very good for your ventilation. In this corner, we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Shubh by Kripa Elite. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Shubh by Kripa Elite located in Tilaknagar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.